Hello, we are at Scare City in Chorley.
We are, for our first Scare event in the UK this season.
Yeah, really looking forward to this. Last year they did a drive-through attraction, but this year it's not drive-through because we're not got the COVID restrictions and things like that. So it's an actual outdoor, I think it's mainly outdoor, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 2-kilometre walk through, so it's around the entire park and it scares all along the way. So that's about all we know. We don't necessarily know what else to expect, so I guess we'll find out.
We'll find out. This is like a press night, so we have been gifted the tickets. So thank you so much to Park and Party for inviting us along. So yeah, come along with us and we'll see how it is. So if you didn't know, this is actually on the former site of Camelot Theme Park. The event is sponsored by Swizzles. Nice. And we're about to go in.
So we've just had to sign these event disclaimers. You know it's going to be spooky when you have to sign your life away before.
That's pretty mad, isn't it?
Yeah, I was surprised. We're ready to go in now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go first. Oh. Oh, this is creepy, man. Emma, why are we walking so fast?
I don't think I like it.
Yeah, you're not going to Nemesis. Oh God, Joe, you gotta go first.
That's so good.
You can't scare each other.
Roll up all the fun of the park. Here we go, money, here we go, magic. Watch the money, watch the magic, see how it's done. This is a fair show business. Children laughing. Who goes there?
Your name?
Sean.
Not yours.
Oh.
Nice, sir. Your name?
Joe.
Joe! They're waiting for you!
Oh wow, look at this. Hello. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hello. This is like all the old buildings.
Okay, these actors are incredible.
I love how this is like all the old stuff from Camelot though.
I didn't even realise,
Yeah, all right there.
It fits so well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, my heart is racing already. That was only the first section as well, and oh my God. This haze, man, look at it.
Yeah, this is hazy. It's really disorientating because generally you can't see where they're coming from.
Oh god. Oh no. Are you scared?
I'm pretty scared, to be fair. I'm very scared. Oh my god! Forest of Fears. Oh, this is really creepy. You can just hear a baby crying. Stilts. Oh my god, that's creepy. Oh my god. That's so creepy. Okay.
He just grunted at us.
Hello.
Hello.
I like your saw. Got Joe.
Yeah! He was like, stroke the baby.
Stroke the baby.
He's drunk.
And I was like, don't want to stroke.
Whoa, hello. So now I got blood curdling Camelot Castle. Let's go. It's the actual castle. So never gone to a theme park, but we're going to go in the actual castle.
That was fun. There's only actors at the very start though, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Surprise you know everyone.
The resurrection zone. So we're about halfway now, because this is where the refreshment side is, and now everyone's going for it. Queue like 3 hours later is still here.
After the castle, we just entered into the bar area. So we got a bar, we've got crepes, we've got gyros. This is a cool little area. They got a party going. Time for a beer.
Donut. prices. So we got tea, £3. Everything's £3 for hot drinks. Slush puppy, £5. Oh, that's the take-home cup. We have popcorn. Yeah. Waffles, donuts. You're looking at £6 to £6.50. Cadbury hot chocolate. We have the food. Chicken gyro for £9. Grilled halloumi. Gyro £9. Open Greek box. Halloumi fries and skin fries. Halloumi fries. A stage thing over here. We've got an actor around coming around. So look at the drink prices. We got a pint, it's about £6. We got double vodka, £8. Wine, we got a large for £6, a small for £4. Jägermeister, shot, Jaeger bomb. Got a lot. Got cocktails, mocktails, fizz. Yeah, it looks pretty good. What you got?
It's like halloumi gyro. It looks so good.
What you got?
I went for the Greek box, so it's halloumi and chicken and
Yeah, nice.
what?
Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Right, this end of the refreshment area. Thank you very much.
So we've now moved on to medieval murder zone.
Stroll use free.
So we're on to part 2 now. We've had our food, we've had our drinks, and we go through the second half.
Steady.
Daddy, chill. Imagine seeing your own face. I know, right? I know, yeah, that'd be a bit weird.
Oh my god! It's like paparazzi over there! it's on a paparazzi!
Crypt of Camelot.
That's a creepy mask, right? Go past, Joe. Go past.
Alright, so calm down.
Satanic Oh, this is cool.
Hail Satan!
Oh! That was a good one.
I was just thinking of we at the end.
Sexy nun!
So Joe, we just got to the end of Scare City.
Yes, we made it.
What did you think?
I thought that was brilliant. I thought it was a really unique setup. The fact it was a walkthrough. There were some really good scares and they're really good set pieces. It wasn't completely overloaded, so you got breaks in between, which kind of put you on edge because you didn't know where they were coming from.
Yeah.
Probably could have benefited from a few more actors, but having the bar and the food and stuff in the middle, I think was a really good way to set this up. And then the walk out of here, it's scary again. So yeah, it's been a brilliant evening. Loved it.
So yeah, echo what Joe said really. It's a really nice little setup. It's basically like one long scare zone.
Yeah.
If you go to scare zones, it's basically that. I thought it was really, really good. Like Joe said, I think it could benefit with a few more actors in places. Because even though like it did feel good when you had that break, I just felt sometimes I was like, I wanted it.
Yeah, sometimes when you wait, you feel like they should be there.
The second half after the bar and stuff, I feel like it's the best, like the most packed with actors, I felt like.
For me, it was the clowns at the beginning. That was the best bit for me.
Yeah. So the start, so the start and the last bit had probably the most actors. In the middle of it, didn't have that many actors. But it was really cool just to go through the old Camelot theme park.
Yeah, that was really cool.
And go through the castle with the scare maze and stuff like that. But yeah, so it is £20 per person. That's for your standard ticket. And then it is £40 for a VIP, which is basically a standard ticket plus a drink, plus VIP seating at the bar, which is that upstairs bit. And also like a special gift that's branded. So I don't know what that is. But anyway, but that's it. So that's Scare City. I hope this vlog's been very interesting. So thanks so much for watching. From me, it's bye. From Joe, it is. Woo!